Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I thought it'd be a good idea to share with you guys what my MemoryDex holder is looking like and show you guys some of the cards that I have and the ones that I've created and have been sent to me, because you guys, this is my current obsession and filling this bad boy is what I want to do. I currently have some swaps where I'm going to be swapping 5 cards so that I can fill her up with some new cards. But let's get started. This is the first card right here. This was made for me by my friend Kristen and I love it so much. It has Lily up here and then it says wifey, and I love all the little black and white and pink detail because that is totally her as a crafter. So it's almost like I have a piece of her because of the way she crafts, and when I look at it, it reminds me of her. And then this one right here is using the Chasing Dreams collection, and I made this one myself. I inked it. You guys know I love that. And I created this card just to fill up my holder. So I did make it double-sided. Here's another one that my friend Kristen made. We swapped 5 cards. So the other one that I showed you was one from her. This one is also from her. So cute with the little cactus, you know, simple but perfect in detail. And then this one I created using the paper from, I think it's Echo Park Once Upon a Time. I love that floral, and just some little gold words with a little puffy sticker, a felt sticker, some crepe paper, this cute little ampersand chipboard, and a little ribbon. Also did the gold detailing around the card. I love the way that looks, so I've been doing that with all my MemoryDex cards. And then here's another one that Kristen made for me, and it's super cute because it has like a little opening here for a little card, and I thought that was adorable. So it's super layered, and then the little card accent, which is cute. I think I might do this in a future card. And then here's another card that she sent me. It says this is happening. It's propped up on foam. Cute little bow. Bunch of layering. And then this was sent to me from my friend Daisy. No, not Daisy. It's Daisy Lou Designs, but her name is Veronica. I always get that confused. But she sent this to me in mail quite some time ago, and I was like, I'm going to poke holes in this and put it in my MemoryDex, because I saw a video of someone and they had like a little giraffe. So I wanted to put this one because I remember she had sent this to me. And it looks cute, doesn't it, you guys? And then this one was sent to me. I don't remember who sent this one to me. I'm trying to think. I know it was sent to me on Valentine's Day. I just don't remember who sent it to me. But I got this one. Here's another one that I made using that same floral from Echo Park Once Upon a Time. I did some doily layering, cute little flowers, and a little word right here, and of course the gold trim around the card. And then this was a little card that Kristen had sent to me, the one that made me the MemoryDex card. She had sent me a card and I wanted to save it in here, so I punched holes in it so I could keep it in my holder, and I think it turned out really good. It opens, but I put a little piece of tape so it won't open anymore and keep it here. And then here's the one that my wife made on Wifey Wednesday. Super cute little pineapple. If you guys didn't watch this video, I'll have it linked down below so you guys can go check it out. She creates one of these. Super funny video. Here's another one using the same floral. You guys, that floral was my obsession. I think I made like 4 cards. So I did the floral with the gold, the little gold around the card, some word stickers, some puffy stickers, a little piece of ephemera from the same Once Upon a Time collection. And these are little unicorn embellishments that I made and I decided to put on the card. And then I think this is the last one with that floral. I just did some doily layering, some word stickers, some enamel dots, this cute big bow that was sent to me in some Happy Mail. And then we have this one that I also created. I think this is the new paper from Michaels, if I'm not mistaken. But I just put this piece of ephemera right here because I love the bike. This is from a Valentine's Day ephemera pack from Pebbles, I think. As well as this little pink flower. And then I just put a little bow, a gold circle in the back just for layering purposes, and some enamel dots. And here's another one. I used the paper from Maggie Holmes in Gather. The floral is also from, I think it's either from Open Book or Flourish. I'm not sure. But we got some enamel dots, some layering, a crepe rosette. Here's another one that I made. Oops. Here's another one that I made, and it says Stay Wild. Cute little tag, some crepe paper. Sometimes, you guys, you don't have to go overboard. You can just do the simplest things and it still looks super cute. I also made this one, and I kind of love this one. This one is using, I think it's Gather. And I have this cute little puffy heart, some little enamel dots made out of cork, the floral piece in the back, this cute little piece that says Create Beautiful Memories, Say Yes to New Adventures. So you see, they could be simple but still so much detail. This one is super fun that I also created. I used this little pineapple die cut that was sent to me in some Happy Mail, some enamel dots, this little rosette with the rainbow that was sent to me also in Happy Mail, and I added this little mermaid, and she's from, I think it's, I'm not sure if it's Echo Park, but I know it's Under the Sea, the girl collection. I think it's Bella Boulevard. Yes, Bella Boulevard. And then those are the little enamel dots. Here's another one that was sent to me from Kristen, and it just says Far Out. It has the court ampersand, a bunch of layering propped up on foam. Here's another simple one that I made using this cute little girl that my friend Ada had sent me, and that rainbow paper from Michaels. Just says love you lots. Simple, but something to add to my little MemoryDex. Here's another one that I made using it's another Maggie Holmes. I think it's Gather as well. This rosette was sent to me, so I placed it on here. Put this cute little gold heart, a little enamel dot, just a little label that says True Story, and a little gold sticker that says Remember. You guys, how cute is this one? This one is also sent to me by Kristen, and I think she cut it with her Cricut, and it's fries, and it says Fries Before Guys. How fun is this? I love this one so much. And then she also sent me this one. It says Dream Big, tons of layering, cute little bird, all the little stars here. And then here's a shaker one that I made for myself. And it has just a lot of sewing detail, the little shaker behind the tool, this cute little bow. And this is the paper Maggie Holmes Shine. And then we have this one, which is using Gather as well, and this cute little rosette that was sent to me in Happy Mail. And in the little flower, I just put some glitter in the middle using the hot glue, where you put the little glob of hot glue and just dab it in. I did that. And yeah, you guys. And then I have this one which had fallen out. I think it belongs over here. And this one was sent to me by my friend Michelle on Valentine's Day. Isn't it adorable? I love it so much. So much layering. The cute little puppies. The Eiffel Tower. So adorable. But yeah, you guys, that is what my MemoryDex holder is looking like at the moment. Are you guys making MemoryDex cards? Do you guys have a holder to show? If you do have a YouTube video showing your MemoryDex holder or an Instagram account, definitely tag me. Leave your links down below so I can definitely go check you out. I love to be inspired. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching my little MemoryDex flip through. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.